Hi there. Today we're going to talk about this lovely violin. It's part of our modern Italian collection. This example is made by Piero Virdis, who was trained in Cremona. His workshop is in a nice quiet area in Sardinia, so he's able to get some really fantastic work done. This example's got a stunning one-piece back, really even spruce top. He goes to the lengths of making his own purfling, which is certainly worthy of note. Where the setup's concerned, we've done that here in store. It's got a 3-star Despo bridge from France and the newest Perpetual from Perastro in Germany. Let's have a listen to how it sounds. Okay, so there we have it. An incredibly powerful, bright, yet sweet, modern Italian instrument by Piero Virdis.